Key West. Even though there's clouds in the way, I love a good sunrise over Key West. Here is the menu.
It's cute.
How good is this? Festive now with garland. So pretty. We are back on the trolley.
I've noticed on the main drag on the other side, there is
Here at Smathers. There are lots of booths where you can rent jet skis, kayaks, you name it. 2 chairs and umbrella was 30 bucks. But a cheers for the day to like 5. Eric, you looked so majestic just now.
Oh God, were you recording
I
this?
need one of those little kickboards. That's what we need.
Should I go under?
You should.
I'm scared. It's cold.
That was so dramatic. Beautiful, beautiful. Arts and crafts session here. What the F? Let's see if this works.
No.
Nope. All right. All set with Smathers Beach. Good fresh fish. These are the red shrimpies that are supposed to be delightful.
That's part
The fish dip, chowder. All right, we got that peel action going on here.
They're hot as shit.
These are steamed, dipped
That's
in
butter.
butter. Alright,
Not
Eric,
gonna lie.
we need your reaction.
Best shrimp I've ever eaten.
Get in that butter action, Eric.
I gotta get the little leggies on.
They're so hot.
I know, it's like painful.
But I'm just doing it.
I'll be fine because I'm the mother of dragons, so.
There you go, babe.
Thanks, Jeff.
Gotta clean out a little. Are we dipping it in?
So good. Alright, your turn.
They're good shrimp.
Oh my gosh. Yes.
So good. Coconut shrimp, conch fritters, crack conch. Oh, I love this area. Favorite place on earth. Hermit? Yep. Hermit virgins. Let's go. Jeffrey?
Yep.
Wow. Okay.
Hold on. Yeah, we're good.
Jeffrey?
So creamy.
Bye, Kermit.
So creamy.
So creamy. That is Kermit. Yes, that's Kermit. Kermit brought us the blueberry key lime. I am very excited. We have to try this.
Oh, we're ready.
Blueberry key lime?
Oh, hot damn.
That happy rooster.
Bye-bye, Kira. I said bye-bye, Kira. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Train. Ride the train. Ride the train, Jeff. Ride the train.
Yes.
Here she be.
Everybody get the cameras out, start taking pictures as soon as you get on the road.
And a quick look down here to my right, everyone, to our brand new children's water park and playground. Now, doesn't that splash look refreshing?
Hey now.
Come on, Jan Captain Glenn here. My time is up. Nice having you on board for the journey back.
Here's some modern luxury. All right, made it back on board. Heading to some adult-only pool time. I winked even though I have sunglasses on. Yum. What's in the island sunset?
Coconut rum, dark rum, pineapple and orange juice.
Mmm.
A dash of grenadine.
Delightful. Alrighty, getting away for sail away here. I came up above deck 11, technically 12 in the front here. And I think this might be where I'm spending my sea day. I mean, just look at that view. You can even come up here in the front. Look down and you'll see the helipad. Yeah, we're getting ready to sail into the sunset. Alright, well it looks like going out to the helipad is going to be a no-no because it's roped off. So I think we'll start shooting from right here. Got an awesome deck out here. Oh, I'm gonna miss Key West. It's one of my favorite spots for sure. Oh yeah, close little boat here. We leave Key West into the cloudy sunset. A little escort. Hey, Peter Cottontail.
If you turn the sprinkler off, all of the
What are you doing?
It's behind your ear.
turn that one off, it all goes away.
Oh my god.
Oh boy, here we go. I'll be here in a couple hours.
And another night, back at pool. Alright, here's the menu tonight. So excited. Different breads tonight and different dips. Like this one is peas, regular butter, and then was it beets? He said beets. We'll see. Here we have the blue cheese souffle and the beef carpaccio. I cannot tell you how long it has been since I've had a mint on my pillow on a cruise. OMG. And they brought us flowers. All the headphones. The Constellation Lounge. This is pretty.
Body. Come over to the entrance and get you to send one member.
Breaking it down. I can't get no satisfaction. In love, I'm all sugar. Ooh, yay, yay. Bushy, bushy blonde hairdo. Surfing USA. That escalated quickly. Oh my God.
channel.
Conga. Streets back. All right. Do 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 do.
Here, peachy.
Peachy.
Peachy zucchini.
Whoa. Oh shit.
I would break all of that.
Hot damn.
I would drink it then break it.
So you're telling me I have to order a fancy drink to see that?
You sure do.
You don't want to juggle the bottle of Di Serono? This bar top is pretty cool.
Sugar, sugar, sugar.
I need one of these. I need this in my house.
Ooh.
What's that?
Yes.
That must be a truck.
What is that? Jeffrey, what did you order?
I didn't order anything. It's not mine.
Ooh, that is pretty. Thank you. We are prepping. Can make it major. I got my boys with me. True story. Here we go, folks. Yay! It's so good! Should be stop moving. You're gonna keep the motion sickness. Ready?
Nobody can keep up with it.
No.
You guys can try.
Here we go.
No pressure.
No pressure.
No pressure.
You ready? Ah!
Yeah, okay, Jason.